Apple's latest groundbreaking device, the iPhone 17 Ultra, has officially surfaced, ushering in a bold new epoch in smartphone history. This isn't just another incremental advancement. It's Apple taking one giant leap forward, redefining what a phone can be. Whether you're a devoted Apple faithful or an Android skeptic, this reveal feels like a turning point. It marks a reimagined era where hardware, AI, and design converge into a sci-fi reality. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Imagine the evolution, from simple rectangular touchscreen devices to fully immersive, intelligent companions. The iPhone 17 Ultra encapsulates that transformation, merging stunning aesthetics, lightning-fast performance, and cutting-edge generative AI, all packaged in one sleek design. This isn't your standard yearly upgrade. The iPhone 17 Ultra represents Apple's boldest, most audacious move yet. Picture it as a love letter to futurism, a clear declaration to rivals and a bridge to a post-physical device future dominated by AI. It's a manifest promise. Apple isn't just iterating, it's innovating. From the beginning, it's clear this launch is imbued with intention. A cinematic unveiling, full of promise and wondering questions. Is this the final iPhone? Or the first of a new era? First on the chopping block? A fan favorite, Dynamic Island. Those playful notifications and interactive bubbles were once iconic. But rumors are swirling that the iPhone 17 is its last iteration. Apple insiders suggest that beyond the iPhone 17, biometric systems and Face ID hardware will migrate under the display. Clean, edge-to-edge glass, with no bump or cutout, this is the era of the invisible interface. With the iPhone 18, Apple is expected to roll out under-glass Face ID and a sleek punch-hole front camera, echoing trends first seen in the Android world. But fear not, Apple's calling card isn't innovation, it's reimagining. They'll frame this minimal punch-hole design as a revelation, as though they invented simplicity itself. This farewell to cutouts is more than cosmetic, it's a signpost. A clean front, raw glass, pure display. This is the next step toward minimalism championed by Apple. Dynamic Island was divisive, a delightful quirk for some, an awkward silhouette for others. But whether you loved it or not, its farewell is an event, an end and a beginning. The iPhone era of transparent glass, zero distractions, and immersive displays is here. Let's shift our focus to the standard iPhone 17, now a grown-up sibling in the lineup. It's not just bigger, it's fundamentally elevated. Larger display, 6.3-inch screen, up from last year's 6.1-inch, aligns with today's consumer expectations. Promotion tech on board, 120Hz LTPO OLED for buttery smooth scrolling and dynamic refresh smoothing. In short, Instagram, your feed just got cinematic. And with peak brightness soaring to 3000 nits, this phone could double as a sun lamp. Seriously, sunscreen might be your new best friend. Apple's dual camera system gets a serious refresh. 48MP wide sensor. 48MP ultra-wide lens. Omnipresent selfie shooter. 24MP front camera with bougie punch-hole clarity. These upgrades are tailor-made for social media creators. Sharper, brighter, richer.